Hi guys, welcome to Distance Learning Week 6. This is May the 4th through May the 8th. Okay, so our weekly Zoom meetings are going to look a little bit different this week. So we are going to meet both days. So I know last week we also met both days, and I think you guys did really well and were really productive meeting in the Zoom environment. So because of that, we are going to meet again both days. One thing I want you to note is on the second day, so whether that's Thursday for period 2 or Wednesday for period 3, we're going to start right when class starts. We're not starting the half hour later. So to be clear, on Monday and Tuesday, we start a half hour later because I'm giving you time to watch this video and get the weekly assignments open and exported to Notability. So on Monday and Tuesday, you're not sleeping in an extra half hour or, having a half hour of free time. You're supposed to be watching this video and then getting your assignments open and ready so that you can be productive when you come to our weekly Zoom meeting. So again, I want you to notice the start times are a little bit different, but we will be meeting both Tuesday and Thursday for period 2 and Monday and Wednesday for period 3. Okay? Our agenda for this week, we're going to be writing our introduction and conclusion paragraphs. We'll be editing and color coding our essays, and that will be it. So we're kind of just wrapping up our mass extinction paper. So if you recall, this is a 5-paragraph paper. You guys have written your 3 body paragraphs, one for each source, the movie, the podcast, and the article. This week, we're going to be writing the introductory and concluding paragraphs. So what I would like you to do right now is you're going to open up that template that's linked there. It's also linked on the welcome page on Neo. You're going to export it to Notability. And then using that as a guide, you're going to be writing your rough draft introduction and conclusion paragraphs. So you're going to follow it line by line, and it helps you write both paragraphs. Once you've written those out, you're going to open up your mass extinction essay document and type them in. Once you have those typed in, you should see in front of you a finished and full 5-paragraph essay, and now it is time to edit. So what I want you to do first is you're going to read your essay at least once to do initial editing. So you guys know we've kind of chunked this up and written 1 paragraph at a time. So it's likely that there are small errors that you can just fix really quick. So I want you to read through it at least once, looking for any obvious spelling or grammar errors. You're going to check for flow. So all that means is that it makes sense together. Because we didn't write it in one sitting, you might see that, oh, it doesn't quite sound like it flows. So making sure you adjust it wherever you need to make sure it kind of sounds like a complete essay that goes together. And then adding any additional details if needed. So if you notice one paragraph seems maybe not clear, like you need to add more information, or if one paragraph is way less informative than your others, you might want to go back and add some additional details. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and open up the checklist. Again, export it to Notability. That way you can actually write on it and check it off. And you're going to go through that checklist step by step and check it off. And that's how you're going to know that you've completed all of the things that you need to complete in order to get full credit. Okay. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to color code your paragraphs. So this is just one more way for you to edit your essay. So you're going to highlight the topic sentence yellow, underline your source, highlight your evidence green, and highlight your reasoning blue. Okay? So this is just one more way to make sure that you have everything that you need. Your topic sentence, your source, your evidence, and your reasoning. Remember, you're going to have 2 pieces of reasoning, so you'll highlight both of those blue. If you notice there's an example at the bottom, once you're done, you can delete that example. The example looks like this right here. You'll notice the topic sentence is yellow. The underlined portion is the source. the green is the evidence, and the blue is the reasoning. So this is just an example. You should see this at the bottom of your mass extinction essay. And once you're done highlighting your whole essay, you're going to go ahead and delete that example. Once you are all done, you can go ahead and hit the submit button, but just know that once you have it submitted, you're going to no longer be able to edit it, because once you submit it, it's saying, Ms. Savers, I'm done. You can go ahead and grade it now. So you're submitting it in Neo. You already have the document attached. You just need to hit the submit button at the top. All of your essays are due by Friday, May 8th at 11:59 p.m., but hopefully we'll be able to get these done by the end of our Wednesday, Thursday class period. Okay, so now that you kind of know what our week looks like, go ahead and get your introduction and conclusion template open and exported to Notability, and you can go ahead and join our Zoom meeting. I'll see you guys soon.